This trade that you are seeing right now went for a 1 to 4, and this was one of the swing trading idea that I gave on my last video. So if you want information on how I was able to catch this trade, you can go back and watch that video. So the trade was Euro AUD, and I was able to take a long position here, and we are able to hit TP here. So what I'm looking right now, maybe we're gonna have like a pullback to this level before we continue higher. But for me to try to look for longs again in this trade, we wait for a break of this resistance and a retest and look for longs. So this is Euro AUD, a trade that we were able to catch like last week for a 1 to 4. Others trade ideas so were GBP USD. I was looking for it to come to this level, but unfortunately we didn't quite reach there yet, but this is still in play. So I will still be waiting next week to see if we can still get, if I take my fib and do it like this, you can see that we have the 0.5 level here. So, and the 618 here. So if we can have a little deeper pullback, I think it's gonna be a good setup for longs for the coming weeks. The next trade that we were looking to take last week was I think was called, and I think I'm in this trade right now. As I was telling you guys, I was looking for short on this level, but it broke through and it took out this previous highs and this candle on the 4 hour. With this bearish candle and this one, I was able to take a short position on this trade. So we're gonna see how this pan out, and hopefully it can follow through and go to our TP target. The first one's gonna be here. The first TP is going to be here, and after that, if there is a retest and a confirmation, maybe we can look to add. So these were the three trades that we were looking for last week, and this week we have three other new pairs. The first one is Euro USD, the next one is US oil, and the last one is gonna be USD CAD. So these are the three trades that we're gonna be looking for this week. Starting with Euro USD, what I'm looking right now, you can see that clearly we are on the uptrend, higher low, higher low, higher highs, and we are clearly on the uptrend. So what I'm looking is a pullback. So if we take our fee from this previous low all the way to the high here, we can see that we already hit the 50%. But if we can come a little bit lower to the 618 with this daily order block, I think with a reaction, we can look for long position. So what I'll be looking for on Euro USD is a follow through, maybe make contact with our 50 daily EMA, and we're gonna look for a long position like this. With this is the first entry, first attempt, and we're gonna look to take price into the previous highs. If this one fails, maybe we can look for this place. So something like this. So we can still look for longs on this level, something like this, and one look to take the price to the previous high. So Euro USD to the longs side, we are looking for longs for next week. The next pair that I'll be looking is US oil. And this pair, every time I try to take a trade on it, I keep hesitating, and price sometimes usually move into my direction. So what I'm looking here, you can see that right now this is on the downtrend, but this is a really big level. This level, 1 second. This level is a really big level, this right here. So we see that price is reacting currently there. So maybe what I'm looking for is something like this, so we can take these lows. If we are able to take this low and we have like a confirmation, I know that this is counter trend, but I'll be looking for longs in US oil. So, but this is a bit risky, so size your position accordingly. For this one, just looking for a 1 to 2, quick 1 to 2 back to this previous size. So that's what I'll be looking for oil, something like this, and we can just take a quick 1 to 2. But if we are able to break this, if we break this and sustain, if we break something with like a bearish candle, I think I will stay out for this trade because it's counter trend already, and you can see that we broke this triangle. So looking for something like this before we continue down. The next and last trade is going to be USD CAD. I know that I think I had this in some of my previous videos. We are close to the level that I'm looking for shorts. So next week, this will be the one I'll be looking for. So we have this daily order block here and price is coming there. So if we have a reaction, I think this can present a really good shorting opportunities. So we first let target here and the last one on this level right here. And we have a lot of trendline liquidity here, so we haven't taken all of them yet. So we still have this one. So if we are able to do something like this, I think we're going to be able to get a really good shorting opportunities for this pair. So those are my 3 pairs that I'll be looking for next week. So if you don't want to miss on some trading opportunity, trading ideas to add to your trading, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it. And I will see you in the next one. Have a wonderful trading week. Take care.